All right, guys, what you're going to be doing today is that you're going to be submitting your research organizer. So, whichever one that has been assigned to you, submit that. Okay, then you're going to go to Vietnam War Final Project Templates and Instructions. So, go ahead and click on that. And then what you'll see is all the choices that you have for your final project. So you're going to take the research and put it in a final project to share with the class. So here are the project choices on this side, and I'm going to see if I can click on that and make that a little bit bigger. Oh, and maybe it's not going to let me do that. So we just hit refresh, and we won't do that then. There we go. Okay, so new script where you'll be writing and making a newscast about your topic for the Vietnam War. So how to write, you want to watch the video and then click on this for a template will help you organize your research and to put it into that final project. Okay. Newspaper. If you want to do it in a newspaper template, here, you'll click on this. Let me have you make a copy of the template and then watch this about how you can take your research and put it into the newspaper. Same thing with journal entries. And then the same thing with the environmental impact report. Okay. All right. Hopefully that will make sense. That's what you'll do after you submitted your final, your research organizer. Okay. And this is what you're going to be working on for the next 2 weeks.